story time now. Okay, so I'm observing that many of you have seen the video of previous stories and you're expressing the story in your own words. It's very good and I appreciate you all, and the winners' names will be announced on Friday. Okay, so today we are going to start a story about a lion and a hare. Okay, you know what is a lion? Who is it? It is the king of the forest, isn't it? Lion is the king of the forest and other animals have to obey the lion. So in this story we will see about a lion and the hare, how it escapes from the lion or what happens to the lion and the hare. Okay, so I'm going to read out the story. Just look at it. It was noon. The sun was overhead. It was meal time. So what happened? It was noon. That means afternoon it was. And the sun was overhead. Overhead means the sun is straight on your head. That means it's 12 o'clock noon. And it's a meal time. That means it's time for lunch. The Lion King was hungry, but there was no sight of food. So the Lion King was very much hungry, but he couldn't see any animal to catch him and eat it. It had never happened before. So it never happened means every time whenever it was noon and the sun was on his head, the animal would come to him and he would eat it. But this was the first time that no animal came to him. As the sun came overhead, an animal would approach the Lion King and offer itself as food. So what happens when the sun comes on his head, that is it is 12 o'clock, an animal would come to the Lion King and offer him. That means it would come to the Lion King and the Lion King would catch him and eat him up. So that day no one came. There was a time the lion would go out hunting and kill whichever animal he could catch. So what happened previously, the lion would go for hunting and kill whichever animal he gets on his way, and he would catch him and kill him and eat him. So what the animals did, the animals requested the lion not to wipe them out. So the animals were afraid that every day the lion is coming out, killing all the animals and eating it. So the animals all requested the lion that not to wipe them out. That means if you eat like this, we all will die soon and there will be no animal for you. They requested the Lion King. They offered to send one animal every day at noon as meal to the king. So what did they say? If you catch all the animals every day, soon there will be no animal for you to eat. So every day one animal will come to you as a meal, as your lunch to the king. The Lion King agreed, and since then he had stopped hunting. So the Lion King agreed. What did he do? For what he agreed? The animals all requested the Lion King, not to wipe them all, and that every day they will send one animal as a food for him, so that the king can eat them freely. The Lion King agreed, and then he had stopped hunting. So from that day onwards he stopped hunting because every day one animal would come to him as a meal. His meal arrived at his cave every day at noon. So every day at 12 o'clock one animal would come to his cave. Cave means the place where the lion lives. But not this day. So this day what happened? It was noon, it was 12 o'clock and the lion was hungry, but no animal came till now. The lion was getting impatient. So the lion was getting angry. It was feeling hungry, isn't it? So it was roaming here and there. What happened? It was thinking and roaming here and there. His stomach was growling. So when you are hungry, what happens? Some sounds you can hear in your stomach, isn't it? So same way, the lion's stomach was also full of hunger. It was feeling very hungry. He was getting angry too. So the lion was getting angry also because it was already time for his meal, but no animal has turned out. Just then he spotted a rabbit approaching him. So what happened? Just then he saw a rabbit. You all know a rabbit, isn't it? Already we told one story about a rabbit and a turtle, isn't it? So now a rabbit was coming towards the lion. So my food is late and so small. These animals need to be taught a lesson, the lion thought. So what the lion is thinking, already my food is late, the animal is late and the rabbit is so small. How can I fill my stomach? I am feeling so much hungry. These animals need to be taught a lesson. So he's saying, I am going to teach a lesson to the animals for sending such a small animal to me. But first, let me fill my stomach, he decided. So he said, okay, first let me eat this small rabbit, then I am going to teach a lesson to the other animals. How dare you arrive so late? He growled at the hare. So what happened? He shouted and said, why did you come so late? I'm sorry, my lord, I would have reached here on time, but I was delayed by this new lion in the jungle, the hare said. So what did the hare say? I'm sorry for coming late, but I would have come on time. But what happened on the way? A new lion is in the jungle. It stopped me. The lion was shocked. I command you to tell me all about this lion. So the lion was shocked. I am the king of the jungle. Another lion, where is it? How did it come? He was thinking and he was shocked. And he said, I am ordering you to tell me about this lion. This lion wanted to gobble me up, but I told him that I was already on my way to meet you. So what did the rabbit say? That lion, another lion wanted to gobble me up, means eat me up. But I told him that I was already on my way to meet you. But what did the rabbit say? That lion wanted to eat me, but I told the rabbit, no, I have to meet another lion. The lion laughed at me. So the other lion, what did he do? He laughed at me. He said that a real king hunts his prey and that I shouldn't bow to a weak lion like you. So what did the other lion say? That a real king hunts, means runs after the animals and catches it and then eats, not sitting in the cave and letting the animal come towards him. So he's saying not to bow, not to bend the head before the weak lion like you. His words, my lord, not mine. So what did the rabbit say? The other lion said that I'm going to eat you up. But when I told about you, what did he say? The real lion has to hunt and not sit in the cave and wait for the animal. So don't be afraid of the weak animal like that. How dare this lion insult me? Take me to him this instant, the lion said angrily. So the lion got angry because the other lion was insulting him, isn't it? So he got angry and told, okay, come on, let us go to the lion. Let me see the other lion. Where is it? My lord, the other lion also wanted to meet you. He spared my life so that I could deliver this message to you. He says he is the new king of the jungle. So what did the rabbit say? My lord, other lion also wants to meet you, but he left me. He told, okay, go and tell your lion that I am the new king of the jungle now. Did he say so? Lead me to that impostor. So this lion got angry. He said like that he is the king of the jungle. Then come on, take me to him. He is a impostor. Impostor means a different one, telling someone who is telling lies. But my lord, I wouldn't suggest going after him. He is strong and he lives in the fortress. So what did the rabbit say? No, we are not going to go him because he is very strong and he lives in the fortress. Fortress means a big building where the kings live, isn't it? Kings and queens live. It is known as fortress. So he's saying we can't go there. I wouldn't expect a punny hare to understand pride. No one in this jungle can challenge me and live. Just lead me to this fake king of the jungle. So he said, the lion is saying that you are such a small hare, you can't understand my position. You can't think how proud I am. So he's saying, no, I have to go because I'm going to challenge him, and whoever challenges, they will not leave. So take me to the king. The hare took the lion to the other end of the jungle. So what did the hare do? Took the lion to the other end of the jungle. A stone well stood in a clearing. My lord, the other lion lives inside that fort, he whispered. So he took near to the other side of the jungle, and there was a stone well. There was a well there. Well, you know, what is it? We draw water from that, isn't it? It's a place where water is stored and we draw water from it. So he took the lion to the near the well and showed the lion a fort and said, see, there it lives, he whispered. The lion climbed the wall of the well and looked down. So what did the lion do? He climbed on the well and looked inside the well. What is inside the well? There is water inside the well, isn't it? There he saw the other lion looking back at him. So when he looked into the well, what he saw? He saw another lion. The foolish lion didn't realize that he was staring at his own reflection. So the foolish lion, what happened? He did not realize He did not know that it was his own reflection, his own face, which is shown in the water, clear water. When the water is still, when it is clear, if you look into the water, your face will be seen. But the lion didn't know that. So he thought that there was another lion inside the well. He gave a huge roar. That means he shouted loudly. The roar echoed in the walls of the well and sounded even louder. So what happened when it shouted? Looking into the well, he shouted. There was a resound. There was a resound echoed and it became more louder. The lion turned to the hare. So this lion was afraid. The sound was more louder. He was afraid and looked at the hare. You are right. This fellow is very strong. His roar is mighty. But don't worry. I will kill him in a jiffy. So what did the lion say to the hare? You are right. This fellow is very strong, and his roar also. He shouted very louder than me. You are right. He is very strong, but don't worry. I am going to kill him in a minute. Saying this, the lion jumped into the well. So what did the lion do? Saying this, he wanted to kill the other lion which is in the well, and he jumped into the well. He hit his head at the well's bottom and never came out. So when he jumped into the well, he fell down to the bottom of the well and his head was broken and he died. All the animals hiding behind the bushes came out clapping. The hare gave them a bow. So what happened? All the animals who were hiding behind the trees and the bushes, they came out clapping because of this hare, the lion was killed. The lion which used to catch every day one animal and eat, it was killed. Because of his cleverness, because of the hare's cleverness, they were all saved. Okay, did you understand the story? So once I will ask you some questions. So you have to go through the story once and try to answer these questions. Who is the king of the forest? Who is the king? Lion is the king of the forest. What did all the animals do when the sun came overhead? What did the animals do? Every day when it was noon, one animal would go as a food for the lion. What request did animals do to the lion? Previously, what the lion used to do, it would hunt all the animals and kill them and eat them. So the animals requested the king that every day one animal will come to him as food. Which animal came to him as food on that day? Which animal came? A rabbit. What excuse did the hare give to the lion? When it was late and the lion king got angry, what did he say? The hare told that there was another lion in the forest and he said that he was the king of the forest. Where does the other lion, according to the hare, lived? It lived in the fort which was far behind the well. What did the lion see in the well? When the lion climbed onto the wall of the well and looked into the well, he saw his own reflection. What did he do? What happened? So when he saw his own reflection, he thought that another lion is there inside the well and he roared. He gave a huge roar. And what happened? There was an echo. So, and he thought that there was another lion and jumped into the well. What did the lion say? The lion said that the lion which is in the well is very strong and mighty. What happened to the lion at the last? The lion jumped into the well and never came out. That means it was killed inside. So did you understand the story? So I expect more children to come out with the stories in your own words. Okay? So winners will be announced on Friday. Okay? Bye. See you.